In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your college email to Gmail in 2025. This is a super handy skill to keep all your emails in one place, making it easier to manage your academic and personal communications. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring you can follow along easily. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail login page. Once you're there, enter your personal Google account credentials to access your inbox. If you're already logged in, you'll just need to head to that inbox directly. This is your first stop because all the actions we'll be taking are from within your Gmail interface. With your Gmail open, locate and click on the gear icon, which is found in the upper right corner of the page. This gear icon is the gateway to your Gmail settings, and it's where you'll be making the necessary modifications. Clicking this will open up a drop-down menu from which you need to select See All Settings. This action brings you to the full range of configuration options for your Gmail account. Now that you're in the settings, look for the Accounts and Import tab at the top of the page. It's within this section that you'll be able to add another email account, such as your college email. So find and click on Add a Mail Account under the Check Mail from Other Accounts section. A new window or prompt will open, guiding you through the steps to add your college email. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the email address you wish to add, so carefully type in your college email address. After entering the email address, click the Next button. The next screen will ask you to decide how you wish to manage the imported emails. You'll either choose to have Gmail retrieve your college emails or to link accounts using the second option. If the option to import emails from my other account, POP3, is selected, click Next. Enter the password associated with your college email when prompted. It's important to double-check your password to ensure it's entered correctly because it determines whether the authentication will be successful. Then, input the POP3 server details. These settings should be provided by your institution, usually available on their web portal or by contacting their IT support. Finally, you'll want to decide whether you would like to leave a copy of the retrieved email on the server. This choice depends on whether you require access to your past emails directly through your college account. After making this decision, click on Add Account. Gmail will now start the verification process. It may prompt you to send a verification email to your college account. Once you receive this email, confirm the process by clicking on the verification link, and voila, your college emails will now start showing up in your Gmail inbox. That's it for adding your college email to Gmail. This process unifies your communications and helps you ensure nothing slips through the cracks by centralizing your emails. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.